गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक माय चैनल माजिद की टास्क। दोस्तों कैसा है, उम्मीद है आप लोग सभी अच्छी होंगी। आज का वीडियो में मैं मॉडर्न ब्लॉगिंग का बारे में हम लोग का एक सीरीज़ चालू कर रहे हैं। उसी में आप लोग का मॉडर्न ब्लॉगिंग बनाना, ये ऐसा वाला चैनल बनाना चाहते हैं तो लोग को सीखना चाहते हैं तो ये वीडियो में बना रहे हैं। आप लोग को इसमें से पूरा जानकारी मिलेगा। ये फ्री कोर्स है, आप लोग हर दिन आप लोग को इसमें से सीखने को मिलेगा। आप लोग को वीडियो अच्छा लगेगा तो वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर देना।
Vlogging best practices. If you want your vlog to be successful, there are a few best practices that we highly recommend that you adopt. These best practices are followed by all successful vloggers, so you need to pay close attention here and follow them too. Always create high quality videos. Always put your audience first. What are they looking for? What answers do they need to solve problems in their life? How can you make their life more exciting, and how can you entertain your audience? Never upload low-quality videos to your vlog because you feel under pressure to give your audience something. It is always about quality and not quantity. If you put out something low quality, then you will lose your audience. Just don't do this. Use good equipment and software to create your videos. You don't need the most expensive digital camera on the market, but you do need to create videos that are clear with good audio quality. Never use a poor quality microphone. Always be passionate and excited in your videos. If you are not passionate, how can you expect your audience to be? Consistency. Once you start putting out your high quality videos, then your audience will want more and more from you. You need to be consistent and create videos to a schedule of some kind. If you leave it too long between one video and the next, you will lose people. You need to be patient with your vlog. Okay, some vlogs have taken off really quickly and make their owners a lot of money in record time. But this is the exception rather than the rule. Take your time and be patient and focus on being consistent with quality and posting schedules. Focus on getting more subscribers. Don't focus on money, focus on gaining new subscribers. Do everything you can to get the word out about your vlog. When the subscribers come, so will the money. Use social media extensively and try other methods to promote your vlog. Know what is working. YouTube has a lot of analytics to help you work out which of your videos are performing the best. So use this to discover what is working and what is not. Do more of what is working. Tweak things to make them better. Check your videos for the correct optimization. Ways to monetize your vlog. Okay, so you have your YouTube channel set up correctly. You have uploaded some vlog videos and you are working hard to increase your subscriber numbers and video views. Where is the reward for all of this? This training is about vlogging for profit, so we're going to share with you some of the best ways to monetize your vlog here. The truth is that there are many different ways that you can monetize your vlog and videos. YouTube Partner. When you become a YouTube partner, you can display Google AdSense ads on videos that you choose. If you are not aware of Google AdSense, it is used by content publishers, such as vloggers and blog owners, to display Google ads in or on their content. Every time an ad is clicked, you share the revenue with YouTube. Now, the first thing to say here is that it is unlikely that you will make a life-changing income with Google AdSense on your videos, even if you have millions of views. There are also various factors which affect how much of the revenue you receive, such as the number of views an ad receives. Not all viewers of your video will see the ad. The length of time that the ad was visible. Some ads are actually short videos. Was there any interaction with the ad? The demographics of your audience. The amount of advertisers that want to advertise in your niche at the current time. As you have probably worked out, it is not easy to predict the money you will make by enabling Google AdSense on your videos. But you don't have to worry about any of the factors above other than trying to get as many views to your video as possible. There are different types of Google AdSense ads that you can display on your videos. One of the most common is a standard banner displaying at the bottom of the video. There are also short video trailers that can display at the start, during your video, or at the end. Sometimes the viewer can skip these trailers and other times they will have to watch them. You will need to meet a number of criteria to be eligible for the YouTube Partner Program and displaying Google AdSense ads. The rules change often, so it is best to visit https://support.google.com/answer/72851 to see what the latest rules are. Once you are a confirmed partner, it is easy to monetize any of your videos by logging into your YouTube account and enabling monetization. There are a number of payment methods that you can choose from, including a check, wire transfer, electronic funds transfer, Western Union, and more. You need to think carefully about enabling these ads on your videos. Some viewers will not mind an AdSense banner at the bottom of the video. A trailer at the start that cannot be skipped may test the patience of some viewers, though especially if they are new to your vlog. Affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products, and when a sale is made, you earn a commission. Commissions range from very small, a few cents, to very large, hundreds of dollars for high-ticket items. Videos are a lot more persuasive than written text, so you could be demonstrating a product or a piece of software and then add your affiliate link in the description. Some people that own makeup vlogs, for example, make a fortune every month through affiliate marketing. With most vlog niches, there will be affiliate products and services that you can promote. You just need to find them. Use Google or another search engine and type in the type of product or service and then affiliate program. So an example would be makeup affiliate program. You can promote physical products and digital products too. Digital products would normally be software, a how-to guide, training videos, and so on. It can be harder to make a sale with digital products, but the commissions are usually a lot higher than with physical products. Merchandising. You can create your own merchandising for your vlog brand. A good example of this is a t-shirt or sweatshirt with your brand logo on it, or even caps. There are companies you can use that will supply the clothes or caps in the right sizes and colors with your design printed on them. There are other merchandising goods that are somewhat easier than clothes, such as USB memory sticks with your logo, calendars with your logo, pens with your logo, phone cases, and much more. It is easy to find a company that will brand popular items for you. Merchandising is not something that you need to think about when you're first starting out with your vlog. You will need a lot of active subscribers to make a profit from merchandising. But once you reach that large subscriber base, then you can sell a lot of merchandise items regular and make good money. Selling your own products or services. This is something that you can do fairly quickly with your vlog. There are many different products and services that you can sell from your vlog. Here are some examples: a book, a how-to guide, a video training course, coaching services. The best way to do this is to teach your audience the basics of achieving something and then tell them that if they want the real advanced methods, then they need your product. Provide value in your videos to get your audience hooked, but don't give everything away for free. One of the best ways to sell your products and services is through email marketing. You can use an email autoresponder service such as Aweber or GetResponse and provide something of value for free as an incentive to join your email list. You will need to do this from your website or blog and then add this link in your video description. Tell people in your videos the benefits of joining your email list. Tell them that you will provide them more free tips and advice, but only if they sign up for your list. Brand sponsorship. If you can get a brand sponsorship deal, then you don't have to worry about displaying ads or selling anything. You will receive payment from the sponsor because they want you to promote what they offer on your vlog. It is directly related to your vlog and will help your audience. You will need to mention your sponsor in the videos. Most of the time, sponsors find vloggers. They are only going to want to work with vloggers that have a large subscriber base, so this can take time to happen. If you have a lot of subscribers and your videos have large view counts, then the sponsors will contact you. Funding platforms. There are new funding platforms such as Patreon.com that enable vlog fans to set up a monthly subscription to fund their favorite vloggers and keep them going. A lot of vloggers are now turning to platforms like Patreon for a regular monthly income. With Patreon, you can set various levels of subscriptions. You will need to offer your Patreon subscribers something more than you do your normal vlog subscribers. They need to feel special and satisfied that they are funding you each month.